Managing multi-cloud environments with VMware Cloud Universal. In today's digital landscape, enterprises are increasingly adopting multi-cloud strategies to enhance agility, scalability, and resilience. However, managing workloads across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and private data centers presents significant challenges, including operational complexity, security risks, and cost management. VMware Cloud Universal is a flexible, subscription-based offering that simplifies multi-cloud operations, allowing businesses to manage workloads across different cloud environments using a single platform. VMware Cloud Universal is a subscription-based, flexible licensing model that enables enterprises to deploy and manage workloads across VMware Cloud on AWS, Azure VMware Solution, Google Cloud VMware Engine, IBM Cloud, and on-premises VMware environments. It provides organizations with the freedom to move workloads seamlessly between different cloud providers without vendor lock-in, ensuring cost optimization, workload portability, and operational consistency. VMware Cloud Universal offers flexible licensing, seamless workload mobility using VMware HCX, centralized multi-cloud management through VMware Cloud Console, predictable pricing, integration with native cloud services, and enterprise-grade security. These features help organizations optimize IT spending, enhance security policies, and accelerate cloud adoption while maintaining control over infrastructure. Managing a multi-cloud environment requires balancing performance, security, cost, and operational efficiency. VMware Cloud Universal simplifies this by providing unified cloud operations, consistent infrastructure, automated workload placement, disaster recovery solutions, and developer-friendly Kubernetes integration. To optimize multi-cloud deployments, enterprises should implement security best practices, such as adopting zero-trust security models, using VMware NSX microsegmentation, leveraging VMware HCX for seamless workload migration, and monitoring cloud costs with VMware Aria Operations. Ensuring compliance and leveraging AI-driven workload optimization further enhance operational efficiency. VMware Cloud Universal provides enterprises with a flexible, cost-effective, and scalable solution for managing workloads across multi-cloud environments. By leveraging centralized cloud management, workload portability, security automation, and cost optimization, organizations can streamline cloud operations, improve efficiency, and accelerate digital transformation. In the next lesson, we will dive into the technical implementation of VMware Cloud Universal, including subscription management, workload migration strategies, and real-world deployment case studies. Let's continue.